Who could be at the dang door? Hello? Better not be those stupid neighborhood kids doing that ding-dong ditch crap. This frickin' rotten kids don't have anything better to do. Oh my gosh, better not be those dang kids again. I'm taking my dang bat. Stay away from my house, you rotten kids. You're gonna wish you never made a single knock on my door. They need to stop frickin' knocking on my door. I'm tired of this crap. This better be the frickin' last time. Dad, what are you doing? What are you doing? Just constantly knocking on your door? I'm gonna knock this bat off your head if you don't knock it off. Alright, Dad, I'll go.